Emily, are you playing with all the food?
There's a crocodile crawling up my arm.
Back to Mommy and me class.
Yep. Oh, what is that? An ear of corn. I love corn. Do you like corn? I love corn. What else is in there?
She's playing with you because you're new. You know, I'm old and boring.
Well, I'm a children's librarian, so I just they kind of like
They gravitate.
they kind of
to
like
you.
gravitate towards me.
What is
I just say puppets and story time all over me. I
Yeah.
guess. I don't know. What is this? Oh, that's an onion
It's
ring.
like an onion ring, yeah.
You want one of my onion rings? Oh, look at that. That's a new dish. Onion ring bananas. Ugh.
Awesome.
Mm. I love these. Tabby, what are these? A waffle.
Can you eat this?
I can eat that. I have a banana a day. Do you want to share
Emily,
it?
what is that? Cheese.
Donut. Tabby, what is that? You love these.
Noon.
I have more cheese. Okay, thank you. Okay, what's this? Oh, grapes. And that is
Croissant.
croissant. Yeah,
They make them very fancy now.
I
The
know.
one she has at home has eggplant. And
Oh my goodness. What is this? A carrot? Oh, a hot dog. What am I going to do with all of this? Am I going to have to get a shopping bag, huh? If
Yeah.
I'm going to buy all this. Another banana. Toast? Oh my goodness. This is just too much. There's just something. Oh, you have broccoli? Broccoli's good for you.
oh, she eats broccoli almost every day.
Do you?
The only vegetable she eats.
She eats it if you can dip it in ranch sauce.
Yeah, most stuff if I dunk it in ketchup,
Oh yeah.
but I'm not gonna.
Ketchup, the favorite
Ketchup
food
and-
group.
Ketchup and vegetables don't really go together.
That's the only way I could get her mom to eat vegetables is
Yeah.
with ketchup on it.
Yeah, but for Thanksgiving, I just dipped the turkey in ketchup, and she ate turkey and had no idea she was eating turkey.
You got the lion tab?
The only meat she'll eat is chicken.
But she's going through a I don't want to eat anything.
Yeah, lately she's eating one meal, breakfast, no lunch, no dinner. Two bites of lunch, 2 bites of dinner. Emily, what you doing, pretty girl?
You got lots of food. Emily, look. Your favorite food, chicken.
Is that pollito?
I love chicken.
You like chicken too. You missed out on the chicken enchiladas last night though, Tabitha. They were so good and you wouldn't eat it.